Welcome everyone. Today we will start exercise 2.4 of class 6th. It is on page number 33. This is the page of your textbook. This exercise contains the properties of multiplication. As you know, what is multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. Listen carefully. Repeated addition. For example, if you multiply 2 into 4 means twice of 4, then it means 4 plus 4. 2 4 ja 8. We can write this multiplication in the form of this, or if it is 3 5 ja, so we can add 5 3 times. 3 5 ja 15. This addition also gives us 15. So this is the repeated addition. 3 5 ja means it is thrice of 5. Thrice means 3 times. So we have to add 5 3 times to itself. It will give 15. Hence we can say multiplication is nothing but repeated addition only. There are few more properties. Distributive property. What is the distributive property? Distributive. Suppose we have to multiply 3 into 1 plus 2. Then this multiplication is distributed over addition. 3 is multiplied by 1 and 3 is multiplied by 2 also. You can see that this multiplication appears 2 times. So it is distributed over addition. It is 3 plus 6, that is 9. As you know, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 3 ja 9. If you solve this bracket, you will get the answer 9, and by using distributive property the answer is same. So answer will not change. Okay, in mathematics there are different rules, different formulas, different techniques to solve a problem. Whatever the method you are using, it doesn't matter, the answer will be same. मैथ्स की यही खास बात है. ओके, दैट्स वाई दिस सब्जेक्ट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो आप कोई भी मेथड यूज़ करें, आपको आंसर हमेशा वही मिलेगा, एक ही आंसर मिलेगा. सो दिस इज़ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ देयर इज़ एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी, एंड we have studied some properties of whole numbers also regarding addition or subtraction. So the properties are closure property. Closure means if you multiply two whole numbers, the answer will be whole number. So whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Commutative property, if you multiply 2 by 3 and by changing the order of the numbers will not change the answer. 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja also 6. Then associative property. Okay, associative property. So if you multiply 1 into 3 into 4, so 1 and 3 are grouped, it will become 12. And if you group 3 and 4, so it is called regrouping. Again the answer will be 12. So it doesn't matter that how you regroup the numbers. यहाँ पर 1 और 3 associated हैं, यहाँ पर 3 और 4 associated है. In both the cases answer is 12. This is called associative property. Remember, associative property can be used with at least 3 numbers. कम से कम 3 नंबर्स आपके पास होने चाहिए, तभी आप associative property यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Okay students, so these are the basic properties and we will study them also when we solve the questions. So study page number 30 carefully. These properties are given on page number 30. Now start solving the questions. So first question is, find the product of the following by suitable rearrangement. Suitable rearrangement. The numbers are 4 into 6, 9, 4 into 1, 25 into 2. Now after regrouping, we have to generate 10, 100 or 1000 or 10,000 by regrouping the numbers. So 4 2 ja 8, we can write 4 into 2 into 1 to 5, because we know that 4, 2 and 125 together make 1000. So 4 2 is 8 and 8 into 125 is 1000 and the answer is 694,000. Okay, this is the answer. Second part, 5 into 3996 into 20 into 2. Now you can regroup as 20 5 ja 10, you know 20 5 ja 10 and 10 2 ja 20 5 ja 100 and 100 2 ja 200. So you can write 5 into 20 into 2 and 3996. So it is 100 and 100 2 ja 200. Now easily you can multiply. Put the zeros. 2 6 ja 12, 1 carry, 2 9 ja 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry, 2 9 ja 18, again 19, 1 carry, and it is 7. So this is the answer of second part. Okay, note it down. Next part, there are total 4 parts. So I solve fourth part here. 725 into 8 into 50 into 20. So you know that 50 into 20 is 1000. Now regroup all the numbers in the same order. You don't need to change the order. So multiply these. 8 5 ja 40, 4 carry, 16 plus 4 22 carry, 56 plus 2 58 into 50 into 20 is 1000. The answer will be 58 lakh. Okay, second question, find the value of each of the following. First part, we have to find the value of the given multiplication. Now there is a proper technique to solve these questions. 7909 into 98 plus 7909 into 2. Listen, if you don't know the properties, you will consume more time in solving this question. आपको इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है और ना ही इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. What property we will use? We will use the distributive property in reverse order. Okay, listen, multiplication is there 2 times, so 7909 is also there in both the expressions. So we write this value once only, then write, okay, make a bracket. If you consider this value as a common part in both these, this is a common value. Inside the bracket we have 98, write the plus sign. You have taken this value as common, so don't consider this, and it is 2. Okay, you have to mention this plus sign, plus and plus. Do not mention this multiply sign because we are using distributive property in reverse order. 7909, 98 plus 2 is 100, and the answer will be 7,90,900. Now second part, it is 43987 into 45 plus 43,987 into 55. Again there are 2 expressions. This is plus sign, so this value is common. Okay, here and here, write a bracket. Inside the bracket put this plus sign. We have 45 and 55 inside the bracket. Now 45 plus 55 is 100, so the value after multiplication will be 4398700. it is 43,98,700. So this is the answer of second part of third question, 4398700. So I solve here fourth part. Very interesting. 7198 into 197 minus 97 into 7198. Again you can see that in both these expressions this value is common, 7198. So write this value, write bracket, write minus sign. If this is the common value, then the remaining value which will be multiplied with 7198 is 197. The second value which is multiplied by this is 97. Finally we have 100, and after multiplication we have 7,19,800. Okay, third question is, so listen carefully, you have to consider a number which is a multiple of 10 and that is very close to either of the given numbers. What is the meaning of this? आपको 10 का कोई मल्टीपल ऐसा सोचना है लाइक 100, 1000, 10,000 जो इनमें से किसी के बहुत क्लोज हो. 1000 इज वेरी क्लोज टू दिस नंबर, ओके, एंड नॉट टू दिस. सो you can write this as 991 means 1000 minus 9. Okay, now you can multiply both these by using distributive property. So there is another method I will tell you. 7909 into 1000 minus 7909 into 9. Now it is 7909,000 minus, you have to multiply these 9 9s 81 and 9 9s 81, 8 carry, 9 7 ja 63 and plus 8 71. You have to perform the subtraction. 7837819. Okay students, so be careful when you use distributive property and addition or subtraction. Okay, now I am going to solve second part. It is 4980 into 507. So it is 4980. Okay, it is 507. So simply it can be written as 500 plus 7. Okay, now you can use the distributive property as 4980 into 500 plus 4980 into 7. Simply multiply these 0 and 0. Okay, 3 times 0 is there, 1 2 3, then 5 8 is 40, 4 carry, 5 9 is 45 plus 4 49, again 4 carry, and 20 plus 4 24. This is 0. If you multiply by 7, 7 8 is 56, 5 carry, 7 9 is 63 plus 5 68, 6 carry, 7 4 is 28 plus 6 34. Okay, now add these numbers. It is 0, it is 6, 8 4, 0 6 8 4, finally 3 plus 9 12, 1 carry, and it is 25. So final answer is 25,24,860. Next part is fourth part. 3023 into 612, 612. Listen, you can break this number also as 3000 plus 20 plus 3, and you can break this also as 600 plus 12. So we break this number. It is 3000 plus 20 plus 3 multiply 612. Okay, it is 3023. Now 612 is multiplied by all these numbers due to distributive property. 3000 into 612 plus 20 into 612 plus 3 into 612. finally it is zeros, 3 2 जा 6, 3 and 18 plus 0 and it is 4 2 and 12. Okay, next is 6 3 and 18. Finally you have to add all these numbers, so I add here 1 8 3 6 0 0. This is the rough work. 1 2 2 4 0, 1 2 2 4 0 and 1 8 3 6. It is 6. Okay, 7 0 1 carry, then 0 1 carry, 5 and 18. So the final answer is 18,50,076. So 1850076, 1850076. Okay students, note it down. It is simply multiplication and addition. Okay, आपको सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई, एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. अभी तक हमने डिवीज़न ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म नहीं किया है. सो आई थिंक द कैलकुलेशन इज़ मच मोर, बट it is quite easier. Note it down. Next question is question number 4. Fourth question is find the product of the largest 3-digit number and the sum of given numbers. So the largest 3-digit number is 999 and the sum of 2 4 5 6 and 344. Product of, okay, product of the largest 3-digit number and the sum of both these. So it is a distributive property. 999 into, find the addition, 4 plus 6 10 1 carry, 5 plus 5 10 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 and 24 plus 4 28. Now we have to multiply. Okay, so do not multiply directly, use the property. It is 1000 minus 1 into 2800. Okay, now multiply this value with both these. So it is 2800 into 1000 minus 2800 into 1. This number is 5 times 0. Okay, 28 lakh minus 2800. So the final answer is 27,97,200. This is the answer of fourth question, exercise 2.4. Fourth question, 2797200. Okay students, note it down. I hope you enjoyed this video, all the points we have discussed. So revise the video 2 or 3 times, try to understand the concepts, then solve the questions of your assignment. Okay.